Are you looking to become an awesome web designer? To create a fulfilling and profitable career out of something that you're truly passionate about? Hi, my name is Agustin Caruso and I'm a full-time web designer. But I didn't start here. My background is actually in digital marketing. But I found myself being very hopeless and frustrated because I was working with clients that were a pain and I was trying to push products that I didn't believe in. And all of that because I was chasing money. So I did a twist in my life and I started chasing creativity and passion instead. And that led me down to a path of creativity where I actually help small businesses and other entrepreneurs to achieve what they want through something that I'm actually proud of, which is web design. So I want to pass that choice forward. I want to empower creative people to become awesome web designers so they can start having a rewarding, profitable, and fun career. And I'm going to do that through weekly videos about easy to learn tools and tutorials so you can start creating right away. So I invite you to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned for more content so you can start becoming an awesome web designer in order to live an awesome life. Welcome to Awestation.